When you're looking at a garden, someone's garden, especially in a residential context, many people have lots of different plant species, but most of these are exotic plants, and our native bees have co-evolved with our native flora. Many of them are really specialized, so you can have a garden full of plants, but if the plants are all exotics, only a small fraction of the native bees can actually forage on them. So biodiversity, I think, really needs to take into account the indigenous versus exotic status of the species they're looking at. Another aspect of biodiversity is the spatial turnover of species. So, for example, the Greater Perth region, and there could be 20 habitats in there, and every habitat had the same 5 species. Or you could have different species, different 5 species in every single one of those 20 habitats. So yeah, having diverse flowers that are native to Australia in urban spaces is really important. I think that's something that's only just starting to be recognised. Your sort of like typical English cottage garden might have lots of species, but probably not many species of native bees or native birds. And we have this connection to nature, and when we don't have that connection, we feel disconnected. For example, there was a study that was published that in Journal of Affective Disorders, and they found that people with depression, they benefited from going for a walk in nature and had, increased mood benefits, and they controlled for just exercise benefits mood, but they had people walk in natural green spaces versus just like in an urban area that wasn't green and biodiverse. And so they did have benefits there.